Hi design lover, welcome back to this third episode of Creative Design Talk. After the Christmas break, we are ready to talk about design new renovation project all the year with the new video and 3D render. Today I will talk about my last 3D render made. This 3D render, designed by me, Nunzia Gentile, interior design of Duelli, was designed with the aim of creating a secondary bathroom in apartment. The goal is to try to make it perceptually larger and more spacious despite the dimension of 280 by 180 centimeters. As for the style, it's a minimal bathroom. Therefore, the floor selected Casalgrande Metropolis grey 120 by 120 centimeters perfectly matches the covering of the perimeter walls, for which Emilceramica Sixty was chosen in talc finish. This type of tile was chosen to highlight the furniture in a dark finish, such as the Cielo Enjoy blackboard suspended sanitary ware. With the same finish, a Cielo Shui Comfort washbasin was positioned on an oak top, to which the Falper Design Cilindro 3-hole wall-mounted tap in glossy black steel was placed, which give a touch of brightness to the whole room. Under the countertop, where the sink is located, two Antonio Lupi Piana 60 cm large drawers have been positioned in which to place all the lining and always leave the bathroom tidy. To enhance this element, the entire wall of the wash basin was covered with the Emilceramica Sixty tile with salvia decoration, which, with its soft color, allows it to integrate it perfectly into any context. To complete the wash basin area, an Antonio Lupi Circus LED mirrors was chosen which, with its backlighting, enhanced the relief texture of the tiles. This furnishing combo, that is a large mirror and light tiles, makes the perception of the environment visibly more spacious. The main element of this living space is the 180 by 100 centimeters walk-in shower, which makes this room, despite its small size, a place where you can enjoy and relax. Inside it was placed a set that is shower head and shower and two-way thermostatics mixer from the Falper Aquifero collection in a glossy black finish. There is also a niche where you can insert soap dispenser, accessories and everything you need for body care. Finally, the Brem Cross V radiator in slate grey finish, placed near the shower, allows you to always have warm and comfortable environment to be able to experience the bathroom. What do you think about this 3D render and its style? Write in the comments and I will be ready to answer you. Bye bye and see you soon in the next episode.